Hi students, whenever you get such type of questions in the competitive exam, don't get panic. Let's see how to solve this question. The question is m square plus 555 whole square is equal to 333 square plus 444 square. Just you shift this 555 square to right side. So you will get m square is equal to 333 square plus 444 square minus 555 square. Okay. So next step, m square is equal to, so just you get triple 11 square as a common. So triple 11 square as a common. So you are going to get 3 square plus 4 square minus 5 square. Okay. So m square value is equal to, so triple 11 whole square. So 3 square plus 4 square value equal to 5 square. We can replace this as 5 square. So 5 square minus 5 square. So you are going to get 0 here. So m square value equal to 0. Then m value is equal to 0. Okay. But what is asking to find the value of 4 minus m, where m value equal to 0. So 4 minus 0 is equal to how much? 4. Okay. So option B is right answer. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button for more great content. Thank you and all.